You can see, like, down there, it's all rain. Look at that. Terrible. It's gonna be a bad one, I'll tell you that. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, it'll be down in the description. So, if you'd like, just follow me, I don't care. I'll follow back when I notice you followed. So, yeah. Strong wind came through. Oh, green down there. Wow, look at that breeze coming from over there. Wow. For the town I live in, there is a severe thunderstorm watch and warning, so everyone that, well, to all my friends, be safe, and just be safe, everyone. I can't really say much, because all this is stunning. It's green all down there, as you can see. Sorry about that, everyone. But yeah, it's green. And yeah, we're gonna get one, I'll tell you that. It sure has cooled off a lot out here. Well, that's the storm. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to look in the description for my Instagram. So peace, guys. See you next time.